How amazing!
And spiders.
Oh my gosh, now it's dark.
What's the matter? Is this place
Making you nervous? Okay, hello. Wow, I just missed like every shot.
I didn't even see where I got attacked there. Just he like came out of nowhere.
Yeah, try to summon fake walls again, you dumb. Hey, look at that, a crown. And jump into nothing. Whoosh. Oh gosh. Turn into an ethereal form. Look at how long I've been in ethereal form. My gosh, orc juggernaut thing. Boom. Whoosh. Hey, there's some gold right here.
Die.
Yeah, the darkness definitely makes it a lot harder to get all the gold. Oh.
You would think the gold would glow.
Yeah, you would think so, because gold glows in real life, right?
Totally.
Okay, I guess we're just skipping those monsters.
shot to pieces by the swift little elf.
By the swift little elf. Do. An explosion. Wow, the keys glow.
So does the doors.
But not the gold. Who wants gold these days?
Not me.
Go for glory. I think this might be the last chapter level we do.
It can be. Die.
We have been playing for like 2 hours.
Have we really?
Yes. Even minus the interruptions. Dead. I must admit, I am impressed, Elf. I must admit, Jason plays the elf character quite well. He plays it like an elf would play an elf. In a play, anyway.
Only an elf were real to know how an elf would play an elf.
And that's the end of the map. That I almost ran into without getting all the gold. I didn't even go for gold. I didn't go for gold.
Gold.
Gold for gold.
God, shut up!
Kill monsters to earn skull coins. They can be used to revive you when you're dead. Oh my gosh, this looks fun. Do. You're gonna die over there. There's a huge key. Oh my gosh, we went about this all wrong, Jason.
I know.
Woo! Oh my gosh! Woo! That was a bad idea. Oh. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna destroy this tower. Yeah, we did pretty good there. I'm gonna kill this tower though. We still have 5 lives anyway. We're like we're cats or something. Jeez.
Well, cats have 9.
Oh, I know, but we already died like a few times earlier.
Come down this way, Alex.
I know, I'm coming. Trying to kill that orc juggernaut. Wow, yeah, so does a giant freaking spider that's there. Hey, there's a crown.
Don't worry, Alex. I got the. Oh God.
You know what? Chain lightning time. Chain lightning. And okay, that was not what I wanted. Oh, dang, this thing's kind of overpowered.
What?
This little shockback pulse thing I have.
We should probably get over there and take out that spawner.
Yeah, we're working on it.
How about we just make our way right there?
All right.
Yeah, that's right. Take out the far one. Let's take out these two before we open up any more doors.
Yeah, hopefully we'd be able to do that.
Okay, take out the other one.
Morak, is that all you've got, Morak?
Make your way over here, Alex.
I'm trying. I don't know where I'm at. No, I'm poisoned. Let's kill the giant spider. Don't step in his poison cloud stuff. Stupid spiders. This is being very difficult. Where's this big okay, right there. No! No! I killed it. Or we killed it. Hooray! Yeah, we killed it. I just ran over those things. There's a key.
Wizard, your life force is running out.
Yeah, you don't say. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need like a recuperation. Yeah, let's go ahead and just move that one up there first.
Okay.
Are we all good now? Alright.
Because you know we need 3 keys.
Your life force is running out.
There's food over there. Okay, I'm just gonna drag them all this way. Whoosh. Oh wow, didn't even mean to do that. Oh wow, we have 7 lives now.
Out of nowhere.
Bombardier. Yeah, it's probably because we killed all those maniac monsters. Wow, I got full health out of nowhere also. Oh gosh! Run! Kill this thing! Boom! They all explode. Oh my gosh, how did I survive that?
I don't know how I lived through most of this.
Most of this monstrosity.
I want to know why they think we needed these mini keys.
Just in case, I mean, obviously. Gosh. Well, it's just this was just like half the room. That's why it didn't give us that much gold.
No, this is the end, it looks like.
Yeah, I know, I was being sarcastic. Yeah, that was the last one. Woo! Now there's only 2 levels left on that chapter. But that's gonna call it good for this time, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Next time we'll go against whatever, round 3 or level 3 or whatever. So thank you guys for watching.
No, we only did 2, didn't we?
No, we did. We beat 2, 3, 4 on this top one, and then 1 and 2 on the bottom.
Okay.
So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is Oreo here, as always. If you guys want to see more Gauntlet, leave a like, leave some comments, share it, favorite it, whatever you want to do. And, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.